It's a shopping mall. I'm going to be showing you step by step how you can use this platform to make some extra cash. And if you are interested in doing this, stick to this video till the end. What up, guys? Welcome again to my YouTube channel, Auburn Time, where we make review on money making applications and websites just to bring you guys the best, nothing but the best. So if today is your first time on my YouTube channel, go ahead, smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload a brand new update like this for you. So I'm not going to take much of your time. Let's jump into it. Right, guys, so first of all, before you can do anything on this platform, you will need to sign up. You will need to have an account. So I'm going to be leaving a link in the description of this video. Go down below, click it, and it's going to bring you to a page where you're going to register an account. All you need to do is register with your email, put in your password, and you are good to go. You're going to be seeing a page like this. So all right, I'm going to be showing you step by step how you can make use of this platform and make some extra cash. You can enjoy this platform with as little as $6 only. Now, before I go any further, this is not a financial advice. I always tell you guys, make sure you do it at your own risk. I am only showing you tutorials on how you can use this platform to make some extra cash, like take advantage of it. So make sure anything you're doing, if you're going into anything online, do your own research and make sure you're doing it at your own risk. So quickly, I'm going to be showing you how to use this platform and make some extra cash. All right, so first of all, after you register and you've done everything, like I said, it's a shopping mall over here that we are working on. So you will need to always do some daily tasks by going to shop, buy some stuffs, and you'll be getting some rewards daily, so some commission daily. So now, in order for you to be able to activate this account, you will need to make a recharge of maybe like $6. Right now, let me show you my account. I already did that. I'm just gonna show you a little process. But once you sign up immediately with this with the link in the description, you have a bonus on your you'll get a bonus on your balance, which is gonna be about $16 bonus is gonna be given to you, and you will see it right here. Once you log in into your account, you click on the mine and you come over here, you will see 16 on your balance, but you can see 22 on mine because I already deposited $6 on my balance. All right, so quickly let me show you what to do. Once you want to recharge, you need to come over here. You can click on recharge over here, recharge, then you follow the procedures, which is not complicated. All you need to do is copy your link, copy this link over here. You click on copy, then you go to your wallet, your external wallet, your personal wallet, you click on it, then you make the transaction, put the $6, then you come back here and you just click on submit, then you're good to go. I've always shown you guys this in many videos I've done in the past. So quickly, let's continue to what we are here to do. So now, after you load your account, then you go to your home page. Let's go to the home page. Then like I said, I put a $6 here, so I'm going to go to the VIP one. That is what I can do right now. So I'll click on the VIP one. Okay, here we are. So now you can see we have a lot of goods that we can buy and get commission. So what we're going to be doing is we just have to click on each, because we have 10 goods. We are allowed to do 10 tax daily. We are allowed to buy 10 goods daily and earn commission. Now sorry, let me go back and explain one thing to you guys. Over here, let me click on rule. All right, here you need to take your time and understand what's going on here. This is something you should read once you come onto this platform so you can understand better. So you can see once you sign up, you get a 16 USDT, which is equivalent to $16, which is going to be on your account. So the minimum deposit has been reduced to $5. It was $6 to $5. Good. Then the minimum withdrawal, you can withdraw about 1.26 US dollars. So that's the minimum. So, and you can get this, I think you can get this daily from the VIP1, yeah, from the VIP1 account. So you can go ahead, read everything that you see over here, and make sure you understand what you're doing. So all right, so let's go back. Sorry, now I'm going to show you how to do the tax. All I need to do is click on VIP1. Okay, VIP1, and what we do now is let us click on this t-shirt over here. We'll click on it. All right, now we've clicked on it. You can see the price. You can see the price over here, and our total is also showing. The total of our balance is also showing right here. So you can see this is what I'm talking about. All right, so then all we need to do is click on submit. Payment successful. All right, so that's gone. So I will click again on the next one that comes up. We click on submit. These are the simple tasks you need to do daily. You click on the next one and you click on submit. So these are what you're going to do all through till you finish the whole 10 goods that are available on your tax leaks today. You can see I've already clicked about 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You see I clicked on 3, so we have 7 left. So all you need to do is do 10 tasks daily, and you're going to check your balance and see, okay, I'm going to quickly finish this and I'll check my balance to show you guys what I did right now and how much I made with the 10 tasks I did. Yeah, so I'm done doing the tasks, and in order for us to see what we've done so far, we have to go back to our mine, to our profile, which is over here. All you need to do is click on mine over here. I click, then you can see right now my balance has increased over here. It used to be 22, now it is 23.54. that is to say I added more, and you can see I added 1 point I think 54. Yeah, so you can see over here it was 6 earlier on when we were talking. Now you can see now it is 7.54 on my balance. That was what I did today. That was what I earned today. That's including the $6 I deposited. So you can see my total revenue is here. All right, guys, so this is for the VIP1. So when you go to VIP2, it is it increases. So it is left for you to choose the one that is suitable for you. To show you how you can also withdraw from this platform into your own wallet, your personal wallet. You can do this every day after doing your tax. So quickly, let me show you how it works. All we need to do is click on withdrawal over here. Now, before you can withdraw, you need to add your wallet method. So what we need to do is to go and submit our wallet method. Add a wallet method you want. So what you need to do before you go any further, please take your time to read what is written here. It's very important to always read. Don't just press any button you see. Read before you take actions. So take your time to read. All I need to do is add withdrawal method. Okay, then USDT, or let me see the options they have. Let's just go with USDT, confirm. Then let's use this network TRC20. Yes, I prefer that. Then now we can copy our address and paste it over here. So what I need to do is to go to my wallet and copy my address. All right, guys, so I just copied my wallet address and I bring it over here. Create a password. That's good to go. All I need to do now is to press the submit button. Successfully changed. Now my withdrawal method has been saved. It has been added and it has been saved. So now let's quickly make a withdrawal to our wallet and see if we get it in our wallet right now. Let's go click on withdrawal. All right, so I'm on to withdraw. You can see I have 1.54 on my balance now that I can withdraw, because that's the amount I just made right now doing the shopping on this platform. So now let's quickly make withdrawal right now. Okay, we'll click over here. Please enter the withdrawal amount. Okay, let's just put the let's put the 1.54 and see. Then password, I'll put back my password. Select method, click on it. My address has already been added. I just have to click on it this way. Okay, we're good to go. Then all we need to do now is to click on submit. successful. Okay, application for withdrawal has been successful. Now I'm just gonna chill few minutes, few seconds to receive it in my wallet. Then I'm going to show that to you straight up. So guys, that is how it works on this platform. Let's just wait for a few. I think I just got it. That's good. That's fast. Okay, here we are. Here we are. You can see it over here on my wallet, on my notification. You can see 1.54 USDT in my wallet now. So guys, that is how it works. That is how this platform works. Now I'm going to show you how you can make some extra cash using this platform again, and which is by using the referral or the referral link. All you need to do is to build your team. Try and build your team. I always tell you guys, when you work online, make sure you build your team. If you build your team, no matter what it is you're doing, you're gonna be making extra cash. It's gonna be better than you doing it solo. When you're doing it solo, you need to spend more money. You need to be there all the time to do the thing, but when you build your team, even when you're not around, your team helps you build some financial income comes in. So that's what I'm trying to say. So build your team. You can see I right now have nobody in my team. Then guys, go down below and use my link in the description to help me build my team. Also, I'm going to be showing you more and more stuffs about this, maybe in the long run. So you come over here, then you can just copy your referral link, which is over here. Just click on this place, you copy, or you share with your referral code too. It's good to go. Excuse me. Then you can share on with your friends, on Facebook, on WhatsApp, Telegram, and groups, and make some extra cash with this platform. So guys, that is how this platform works. And if you like what I just showed you, if you really enjoyed this video and you think you want to do it, go ahead. The link is in the description. Go ahead, join me. Let's make some extra cash with this. But guys, I've always told to say this: the risk is yours. It's not a financial advice. I'm just trying to show you guys how to use this platform and make some extra cash. So guys, if you love what I showed you, please give this video a thumbs up. It's just a little motivation from you to me, and it's gonna keep me going to bring you guys good contents like this. And subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I got brand new updates for you guys. So I see you again in the next video. Bye.